It is a brisk morning here in Michigan. We are on Crockery Creek, which is a tributary of the Grand River. We're after sucker. We had some rain earlier this week, so hopefully that brought them upstream. And we're going to get fishing here in just a minute. Remember, if you like our content, subscribe below. Before we get to the sucker fishing, I'm going to drift some spawn through the hole a few times and see if there's any trout in there that are hungry. Sucker fishing is a pretty simple setup. We just got two weights, a slip weight and a split shot to keep it from sliding all the way down to the hook, a hook with a night crawler, and then we just toss it out and wait. All right, Grizzled Outdoors, we are finally getting to the heart of what it means to be grizzled. If you see behind me, I have a topper on my truck. You can see that it's a different color. It's faded, it's dirty, it's got some clear coat peeling. Not an exact fit either. But you know what? It was free. And we're gonna make it work for what we need. And there you have it. She's all washed and dried up. Now that we have all the dust and stuff cleaned off of her, the next step is to apply the lining. My liner is ready to be poured into the paint pan, and then we're going to start rolling this stuff on. And our first coating is done. So we're going to let this sit for a couple hours to dry off, and then going to apply a second one.